9, short 10 right, we still need a few seconds for the back end.
Transat 949, I'm sorry, good afternoon. You need, I missed it. You need a couple more minutes, is that right?
Oh, that's correct.
Alright, no worries. I got 3 miles in trail between you and traffic rolling, so just let me know when you're ready, please.
Alright, we check, thank you. Transat 949 will be ready now.
Thank you, sir. Sure, 1505, had a good day.
Bye-bye.
And preparation for takeoff.
Fort Lauderdale Tower, Cameron 501 Echo X-ray, 10 right.
501 Echo X-ray in Lauderdale, good evening. Runway 10 right, clear to land.
10 right, clear to land, 1 Echo X-ray.
Turn it down. Why do you keep saying
One Echo X-ray, short approach approved if you want it here.
Short approach approved, 1 Echo X-ray, thank you, sir.
Travel 2780, right turn, Bravo East and ramp control to deck.
Bravo East, ramp control, sounds like 2780, good day.
Zero 1 Echo X-ray, 2 left turns, Juliet and ground point 4, sir.
Left turn 287 and we're down to 1.
Transat 949, thanks for your patience tonight. RNAV to Elbow, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 10 right, RNAV to Elbow or Transat 949. Departure, Transat 949. Good day, see you. Miami, departure, good day, Transat 949, 1,600, climbing 4,000.
Transat 949, Miami departure to contact, not maintain 5,000.
Maintain 1,000, Transat 949.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. We recommend keeping it visibly fastened whenever you are seated. Smoking is not permitted on board. This includes electronic cigarettes. For your protection against COVID-19, we ask you to not congregate in any area of the aircraft, including around the washrooms and galley areas. Please wait for a washroom to be free before getting up. You must wear your mask at all times during the flight, including when communicating with a crew member. You may momentarily remove your mask when actively eating or drinking, but must put it back on immediately afterwards, ensuring that it covers your nose, mouth, and chin. Thank you for helping us keep everyone safe.
November 31, Lima Romeo, Miami.
Bouclé, stratégique de ceinture soit ayant. Nous vous recommandons de garder visiblement bouclé en tout temps lorsque vous êtes assis.
November 95, Delta,
Veuillez fumer à bord si fumant les cigarettes électroniques. Pour votre protection contre le COVID-19, nous vous demandons de ne pas vous rassembler dans vos protections de l'avion, y compris près des toilettes, office et de office. Veuillez attendre qu'une toilette se livre avant de vous laver. Vous devez poser votre masque en tout temps, y compris lorsque vous communiquez avec le membre de l'équipage. Vous pouvez retirer volontaire votre masque, vous mangez ou pouvez vacciner, et vous devez le remettre immédiatement après l'entrée à que celle revienne votre
Transat 949, I'm maintain 1
Nous vous
3000.
remercions de nous aider à assurer la sécurité de tous.
November 1, Lima Romeo, proceed direct to Antwerp, Fort Lauderdale runway.
Our in-flight service will begin shortly. In the meantime, you'll be able to purchase earbuds and comfort kit. We'll then continue with our bistro service. The selection of meals, snacks, and drinks can be found in the bistro menu section of our entertainment system. You can save money by combining certain items or by pre-ordering online at airtransat.com up to 72 hours before the departure of your next flight. All prices are quoted in Canadian dollars and only credit cards are accepted as payment on board. While reserving the cabin, please ensure your arms, legs, and baggage are safely tucked away from the aisle. We're here to make sure you have an enjoyable flight, so if you need anything, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.
Transat 949, contact London Center 135, 117, good night.
3517 Air Transat 949, good night.